Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming the essentials. Apple Intelligence is enabled and your device runs the latest iOS. Open Settings, tap Apple Intelligence, then toggle Generative Media and Genmoji on. Grant camera and mic access so live capture works. Once permissions are set, launch Messages or the Genmoji app shortcut and choose a face or template to transform. Make sure to allow access to photos if you plan to save results. Now you're ready to begin a guided capture session and generate your first Genmoji. You'll now capture and customize. Open Genmoji, select front camera, and align your face with the guide. Steady lighting improves fidelity. Once captured, pick a style preset, cartoon, photorealistic, or abstract, and tweak attributes like skin tone, hair, and accessories. Use sliders to control animation intensity and mouth sync for messages. Tap Advanced to adjust texture and color balance. Because Genmoji uses generative models, small changes to expression and lighting produce different outputs, so iterate until the result matches your intent. Finish by exporting. Choose messages to send animated Genmoji, add to stickers, or save as PNG/hike to photos. You can also airdrop or share to apps. Once exported, add the Genmoji to your keyboard or sticker packs for quick reuse. If generation fails or output looks blurry, retry the capture with brighter, even light. Ensure the camera lens is clean or reset Genmoji permissions in settings. One quick retry often resolves model hiccups. That completes the workflow. Use and iterate.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.